हेलो गाइस, स्वागत है आपका अरुणाचल जीके में। टुडे विल कवर very important topic, that is death and death, as you can see, and this is very important topic which used to come in every exam. In UDC also it's already came, I think 2 or 3 question. So because of 1 mark you can be in the game or else bar. So hope you studied well, and so let's begin. Our first one is start from January, that is World Hindi Day is celebrated on 10th January every year, and National Youth Day celebrated on 12th January. I think it came on UDC, and on this day Swami Vivekananda was born, so it's celebrated as Youth Day. Army Day on 15th January, National Voters Day on 25th January, and the theme was making our voters empowered and vigilant. So come to February. So World Wetland Day is celebrated on 12th February, and the theme was wetland and waters. And World Cancer Day is celebrated on 4th February, and the theme was I am and I will. And Deworming Day 10th February, and National Science Day 28th February. The theme was Future of STI, Impact on Education, Skill and Work. And on this day, like C.V. Raman discovered Raman effect, and for this he got Nobel Prize also. So it's celebrated as a Science Day. Now come to March. Wildlife Day is on 3 March, and International Women Day 8 March, and the theme was Choose to Challenge. World Water Day 22 March, and the theme was Valuing Water. And the World TV Day celebrated on 24 March, and the clock is ticking, the theme. So you have to remember the theme also. And April, and Orissa Day is on 1st April. World Health Day every year celebrated on 7th April. Building a Fairer, Healthier World. This is theme. And the World Heritage Day on 8th April. Complex Past, Diverse Future. Earth Day is on 22 April. Restore our Earth. It's important, Earth Day and Health Day all. Like World Malaria Day 24th April. Reaching the Zero Malaria Target. And Ayushman Bharat Divas 30 April, affordable medical facilities. Now come to May, that is International Labor Day. We celebrated on 1st May. Maintaining safety and security at workplace. Press Freedom Day, and that is on 3 May, and the theme was information as a public good. If you know, like Press Freedom Index, this year our rank is on 142, and the first is Norway. Norway got the first rank on Press Freedom Index. And now come to World Red Cross Day. It's on 8th May. The theme was Together We Are Unstoppable. And International Nurse Day, that is on 12th May. Theme was A Vision for Future Healthcare. Now come to National Anti-Terrorism Day. It's on 12th May. The theme was to spread the message of peace and unity. And on this day, Rajiv Gandhi was assassinated, so we observe this day as National Anti-Terrorism Day. And Anti-Tobacco Day is on 31st May, and this year the theme was Commit to Quit. Now come to June, World Environment Day, that is on 5 June, very important. Ecosystem Restoration, the theme. World Refugee Day 20 June, and the theme was Together We Heal, Learn and Shine. The July, National Doctor Day, the 1st July, and the theme was Save the Savior. And the World Population Day is on 11 July. Right and choice are the answer, that is theme. So come to August, Hiroshima Day. It's on 6 August, and the theme was peace politics. As you know, on this day, US dropped bomb on Japan. So come to International Youth Day, that is on 12 August. The theme was transforming food system, youth innovation for human and planetary health. Partition Horror Remembrance Day, 14 August, and it was started from this year only. We will observe this day for 14 August as a Partition Horror Remembrance Day. And in this year, Independence Day theme was Nation First, Always First. Just remember, it's very important, these two. And National Sport Day is on 29 August. Now come to September, Teacher Day, as you know. And Hindi Divas is on 14 September. And World Ozone Day, very important, 16 September. And please note this. Now October, Gandhi Jayanti, as you know, 2 October. Indian Air Force Day, 8 October. World Student Day, that is on 15 October. World Food Day, that is on 16 October. National Unity Day, that is on 31st October. So November, World Tsunami Day, that is on 5 November. Children Day and Diabetes Day is on 14 November. And please follow on Instagram, that I have an Instagram account, SRNachalGK. As you can see, I used to update here current affairs and some quizzes and daily basis, and important notification also. So please follow. Now come to December, that is World AIDS Day is on 1st December. This is very important. National National Pollution Control Day, that is on 2 December. Indian Navy Day, that is on 4 December. Human Rights Day, that is on 10 December. Vijay Divas, 16 December. Kisan Divas or the Farmers Day, that is on 23rd December. And National Consumer Day, that is on 29 December. If you want PDF, please visit on Telegram channel SRNachalGK. You can search, you will find. So thank you, and please like, share and subscribe, and all the best for your upcoming exam. Stay safe and take care. See you in next video. Bye bye.